Hi and welcome to Digital Tech Reviews and Tips, guys. My name is Gabe, and today in this video I'm just going to be doing a quick comparison between the GoPro HERO 11 and the Insta360 GO 3. Now, right off the bat, I just want to say that these are very different cameras, despite being about the same price, $350 to $400. You have the GO 3 that is much more of like a lifestyle, fun camera. I like to say it's like the Nintendo of action cameras, where it's just about having fun, making memories and stuff like that. Whereas the GoPro, of course, has a much higher resolution, much higher specs, and is more trying to be like a real serious filmmaking action camera that you can put wherever you want to, put it and get actually pretty good shots usually. So yeah, very different cameras, very different intended uses, but like I said, about the same price. So hence why I'm here standing out on the beach filming this comparison, talking to the back of my car, and these two cameras mounted there because I didn't bring a tripod. But yeah, anyways, let's just get to the video. Side by side shots all lined up to help you decide what you want to buy. Before we get into it, subscribe, comment, like. I don't know, I don't want to waste your time, guys. Let's just go to the video. So here we are in the vlog test of this comparison. Always need to have a vlog test because everyone wants to be a vlogger in their dreams. So you want to make sure you have the right camera. Here we have, of course, the GoPro HERO 11 and the Insta360 GO 3. Now the GoPro absolutely blows the GO 3 out of the water on specs, of course. 5.3K resolution. You can even do 60 frames a second, 120 frames a second with 4K and stuff. So not really a fair comparison when it comes to specs, but specs don't really matter, right? The Insta360 only does 2.7K. Both of these are currently doing 30 frames a second, but as long as the quality looks good, most people are posting on smartphones and like social media and stuff anyways, where the quality doesn't really matter. So just really concentrate on the image quality. Don't pay any attention to the specs. Like, I'll put them there on these video clips and such, but really it's about the quality. And with these cameras, I've definitely noticed that there is often a little more noise on the GO 3, but it is a very unique camera, and still has good image stabilization. Like right now, both of these are set to the max image stabilization. So you're hopefully getting not too like bouncy and like kind of shaky of an image as I'm walking around here on the beach. The really interesting thing to see here is going to be the wind reduction technology, to hopefully be getting some audio, because right now it is really windy. I'm walking straight into the wind on the beach here, and hopefully you can hear me. Otherwise I'm going to have to be doing a lot of like ADRing and re-recording all my voice stuff and putting subtitles in. But yeah, we'll be switching back and forth here on the sound for these two cameras, and you can tell me in the comments below which you think sounds better, because I actually haven't tested them out yet. This is the first time here, so yeah, let me know. But I think that's enough of this walking around here. My arms are getting sore, so let's get back to the main comparison. All right, so that brings me to the end of my side-by-side comparison of the Go 3 versus the GoPro HERO 12, but I'm not gonna let you go without a really good low light test. Here you have me standing by a fire, trying not to fall in and burn myself, and you can see how good these cameras perform in the noise. And I'm just gonna, spoiler alert, I'm gonna guess that the Insta360 GO 3 is absolutely terrible. No offense to the camera, but kind of falls apart pretty quickly when the light goes down. And the GoPro also doesn't do too well in low light. So it's gonna kind of be a battle of which is just not worse, I guess. But yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Hopefully you found these side-by-side clips somewhat helpful in helping you decide which camera you should buy. If you're still watching, thank you for making it all the way through the end. Links down below to check out my social media and stuff. Subscribe, comment, like, you guys know what to do. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Peace out and have a nice day. Bye.